business leaders, leaders from civil society, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I wish to welcome all of you to this Johannesburg summit of the Forum on China-Africa Cooperation, the first to be held in the African continent. I especially wish to extend a warm welcome to President Xi Jinping, the co-chair of the summit, to South Africa and the African continent. Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to declare this Johannesburg summit of FOCAC officially opened.